The early morning sun stretches over endless rows of walnut trees. It's harvest time in California. Massive machines, called shakers, move through the orchard. They clamp onto the thick trunks and suddenly the world vibrates. In seconds, thousands of walnuts rain down, bouncing across the dusty ground. Farmers stand back and watch as the trees give up their prize. The sound is like a thunderstorm, nutshells clattering against dry leaves and earth. Dust flies everywhere, catching the light. For a moment the air is full of motion and noise. When the shaking stops, the orchard floor is carpeted with walnuts. But this is just the beginning. Each nut has traveled years to get here, and its journey is far from over. The next steps are just as important as the dramatic harvest. Now let's step back and see why California is the place where this nutty adventure happens. California leads the world in walnut production. Why? It's all about the climate. Mild winters, warm summers, and plenty of sunshine create a perfect environment. The soil here is just right, rich, deep, and well-drained. Walnut trees need these conditions to grow strong and healthy. Rain falls mostly in winter, giving trees a good soak when they need it. But in summer, when the nuts are growing, the weather turns dry. This keeps the walnuts safe from mold and disease. The Central Valley, stretching hundreds of miles, is the heart of walnut country. California's farmers are experts. They use advanced methods to get the most from each acre. The state produces nearly all the walnuts eaten in the United States, and half of the world's supply. From small family groves to massive operations, everyone here takes pride in the crop. With the stage set, let's see how a walnut begins its long life. It all starts with a seed, no bigger than a marble. But before it's planted in an orchard, it gets special attention in a nursery. Here, growers select the best seeds and care for them in trays or pots. The young seedlings need protection from bugs, disease, and harsh weather. After a few months, these tiny trees are ready for the big leagues. Farmers carefully lay out the orchard, measuring the space between each tree. Walnuts need room, plenty of sunlight and airflow. Workers dig holes and plant each sapling by hand or with machines. The new orchard looks more like a chessboard than a forest. Careful planning at this stage pays off for decades. The young trees will spend their first years focusing on roots and trunks, getting ready for the real work ahead. From here, the clock starts ticking. A walnut tree is a long-term investment. Walnut farming is not for the impatient. Trees take at least 5 to 7 years before they produce a real crop. During this time, farmers spend money on water, fertilizer, and care, but there's little income. It's a risky business, but the rewards can be great. Farmers walk the rows, checking each tree as it grows. The first tiny buds appear after a few years. Eventually, small green nuts start to form, but those first harvests are small, a taste of what's to come. By year 7 or 8, the trees hit their stride. Suddenly, the orchard explodes with nuts. This is when the investment begins to pay off. For many growers, it's a family affair. Generations work together, knowing their hard work will feed people around the world. But growing walnuts takes more than waiting. The care given to each tree makes all the difference. A healthy orchard is a busy place. Walnut trees drink a lot. They need steady irrigation, especially during those dry California summers. Farmers use high-tech drip lines to deliver water straight to the roots. This saves water and keeps the soil just right. Fertilizer is added to keep the trees strong. Farmers test the soil and leaves to see what nutrients are missing. Too much or too little, and the nuts won't grow well. Pruning is another key job. Workers trim branches to let sunlight deep inside the tree. Pests are always a threat. Bugs, squirrels, and even birds love walnuts. Farmers use eco-friendly sprays and natural predators to protect the crop. Every orchard has its own strategy. Keeping trees healthy is a year-round job, and it's never dull. With the orchard thriving, it's time to think about the main event, the harvest. Picking walnuts at the right time is critical. If farmers wait too long, nuts can rot or be stolen by wildlife. If they go too early, the nuts aren't fully formed or flavorful. Timing is everything. Farmers walk the orchard, cracking open sample nuts. They check the color and texture of the hull inside. The outer green hull must split, showing the brown shell beneath. This means the nut is mature. Weather also plays a role. Rain can ruin harvest, so farmers watch forecasts closely. They wait for dry, sunny days to make sure the nuts are safe. Once the decision is made, the whole crew gets ready. Machines are checked and fueled. Workers plan the route through the orchard. The race against the clock begins. Harvest must finish before rain or wind can spoil the crop. Now the action begins with machines that shake the trees. The harvest is a show of strength and precision. Giant shakers roll up and grip each tree trunk. In a few seconds the tree quivers and nuts cascade to the ground. The machine moves from tree to tree, shaking loose every last walnut. Next, sweepers come through. These machines brush walnuts into neat rows, clearing away leaves and twigs. Then harvesters collect the nuts from the ground, loading them into bins. It's fast, efficient, and dusty work, but it saves huge amounts of time compared to hand-picking. Farmers check for missed nuts and clean up the orchard floor. Leftover nuts can attract pests or grow mold. A clean orchard is a healthy orchard. By the end of the day, thousands of pounds of walnuts are ready for their next stop, the processing plant. But the nuts aren't ready to eat just yet. Fresh walnuts, are covered in dirt and sticky hull pieces. At the processing plant, the very first stop is the cleaning line. Powerful water jets and brushes scrub off the hulls, while conveyor belts move the nuts along, shaking away dust and debris. Next comes drying. Walnuts have to be dried quickly to avoid any chance of mold. So, giant dryers blow warm air through the nuts for several hours. Workers check the moisture level carefully. Too wet, and the nuts spoil. Too dry, and they lose flavor. After drying, each batch goes through sorting. Machines and human inspectors look for cracks, broken shells, or odd colors. Only the best nuts move on. Quality control is strict. Nothing less than perfect makes it to the next step. Once sorted, the walnuts are almost ready for the world's tables. Some walnuts are sold in the shell, but most are cracked open. Special machines break the shells without crushing the precious kernels inside. It's a delicate process. Conveyors carry the nuts to sorting tables, where workers remove any leftover shell pieces by hand. Then comes separating. Machines sort kernels by size, color, and quality. The best pieces are set aside for snacking or baking. Smaller bits go into oils or spreads. Everything gets used. Nothing goes to waste. Finally, packaging begins. Walnuts are sealed in bags, boxes, or tubs. Some are flavored or roasted, others kept plain. Packages are labeled with nutrition facts and tracking codes. Ready for shipping, these nuts are now on their way across the country and around the globe. But what makes walnuts so special? Let's find out. Walnuts are more than just a tasty snack. Doctors call them a superfood. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, vitamins, and minerals. People eat walnuts to help their heart, brain, and even their mood. They're used in salads, baked goods, sauces, and desserts. Chefs around the world love walnuts. In Italy, they make creamy sauces. In China, walnuts are used in sweet treats. In the United States, they top everything from oatmeal to ice cream. There's almost no limit to how walnuts can be used. Walnuts travel far from California's orchards. They're shipped to more than 50 countries. Families everywhere enjoy the rich, buttery flavor. And every bite has a story that starts with a farmer's hard work. But the walnut industry isn't stuck in the past. New technology is changing everything. Walnut farming is always evolving. Farmers use drones to check tree health from above. Soil sensors tell them when and where to water. Some orchards use solar panels to power their pumps and machines. All these tools save time, money, and natural resources. Scientists are breeding new walnut varieties that resist bugs and disease. This means fewer chemicals and better yields. Robots help with sorting and packing, making the process faster and safer for workers. Sustainability matters. Farmers plant cover crops to stop erosion and attract bees. Waste shells are turned into mulch or fuel. Everyone wants to keep California's land healthy for future generations. But in the end, it's not just about the machines, it's about the people. Behind every bag of walnuts is a team: farmers, workers, scientists, drivers, and packers. Some families have farmed walnuts for generations. Others are newcomers, bringing fresh ideas. All share a passion for growing the best nuts in the world. Harvest is a busy season. Crews start before sunrise and finish after dark. Everyone has a job, from shaking trees to checking the final package. It's hard work, but there's pride in every step. California walnuts feed millions and support thousands of jobs. They connect rural communities with people in cities and countries far away. Every walnut in your kitchen is a small miracle, made possible by nature, technology, and a lot of human grit. So next time you crack open a walnut, remember the journey. From orchard to table, it's a story worth savoring.